Nestled in the rugged beauty of the Sierra de Guadarrama, the Casa Granero emerges, a contemporary barn house that echoes ancestral forms while embracing modern life. Born from rural typologies, it stands as a poetic testament to functional elegance and elemental simplicity. A simple rectangular prism capped with a gable roof stretches longitudinally across the site, a silhouette reminiscent of traditional barns. This archetypal form is reinterpreted for a domestic studio life, establishing a presence that's both humble and striking. Metal columns support reinforced concrete slabs, creating a robust structural frame. The brick and concrete envelope, with rock wool insulation and anthracite mini-wave cladding, ensures strength and comfort. The ground floor gathers the entrance hall, guest toilet, storage, and a generous open-plan dining and kitchen area that flows onto a covered terrace wrapping 3 façades. In the upper floor, 2 bedrooms, a spacious bathroom and a large terrace, all connected via sliding partitions and broad openings that frame panoramic views. The house responds to a harsh mountain climate. Shutters protect all northern, eastern, and western openings. A sheltered curtain wall on the south side acts as a photographic lens, capturing the passing beauty of light and seasons. Exposed brick, raw concrete, zinc gray metal cladding, and textured rock wool combine to create a refined yet grounded material tapestry. Synthetic wood on the lightweight metal terrace adds warmth, contrasting with the cool exteriors. Interiors focus on clarity and utility. Open-plan living fosters fluidity, while sliding panels allow personalization and connectivity. Furnishings are minimal, functional, and carefully placed to enhance the architectural narrative without overwhelming it. The family adds warmth through personal objects, books, textiles, and plants that soften the minimalist structure. The raised terrace wraps the house, integrating built space with the rugged exterior landscape. Covered outdoor zones offer transitional thresholds that connect human spaces to the rhythms of nature. Casa Granero is a subtle dialogue, a barn reborn as a home. It marries typological memory with contemporary living, shaping a sanctuary where clarity, light, and craft converge in humble splendor.